here we are at a home that has been handed over back to the owner after the tenants left, and in this particular case the house was in serious disrepair. So the owner started by removing all the carpets and then had us come in to do the preparation and cleaning of the walls and all the surfaces that needed to be painted so that we could begin the process of repainting this house and making it fresh again. In this particular case, it was easier to remove all the doors from the frames and paint them off the frames so that we can easily access the frames of that were holding up the doors. And we went through and laid drop sheets out on all the other surfaces that did not have carpet, like the tiled surfaces. And we began the process of preparing by sanding all the doors, timber work, architraves and skirting boards. And then we went about repairing all the imperfections in the walls and ceilings, which included a lot of holes and damage that had been caused by the tenants, but also that had been caused by pets. Some of the walls actually had quite large holes in them that had been done either with a foot or by hand, and we arranged with a plasterer to come back to the house and assist us with those holes so that they can look like they never happened once the repair was done. This was quite a large home, 4 bedrooms in total. And the painting process involved starting with the ceilings, finishing those, and then working our way down the walls, doing all the walls, then doing all the timber work, the doors, and then rehanging all the timber work, all the doors back on the frames. We also took the handles off most of the doors. That's not visible in this particular video, but then they are all replaced and put back on. And the place is going to look like brand new again. You can see the color in the before and after will be very similar. The client wanted us to paint a very similar color on this house, so we went ahead and did that. The doors are quite shiny, and we are going to finish the doors in a similar finish in a semi-gloss enamel. Same with all the timber work, skirting boards, architraves, etc. And stay tuned for the next video to see the results of what the place looks like when it's all finished and done. All the doors are back on and we are handing over to the client.